Have you ever wondered why humid cold feels colder? Sometimes the temperature between 2 days are the same, yet they feel much different. Today is day 13 of trying to learn something new every day and sharing it with you guys. And today we learned why humid cold might feel colder than dry cold. First, let's talk about humidity. Humidity is a measure of how much water vapor the air is capable of holding. There are two measures of concern: absolute humidity and relative humidity. Absolute humidity, aka dew point, is the actual amount of water that's present in the air currently. Relative humidity, the measure we see on our weather app, is a measure of water vapor as well, but it's compared to how much the air can hold maximally at its given temperature. When relative humidity is 100%, that means the air is full of water vapor. And so combining those two concepts, warm air has a greater capacity to hold more water vapor than cold air, which means at the same absolute humidity, warm air actually has a less relative humidity than cold air. This is important for later. So what actually happens during a humid cold? Well, it's thought that if a cold day is fully saturated with water vapor, those water vapor particles can condensate and form water droplets, which can go on our clothes and potentially our skin as well. This causes our body heat to potentially escape even faster because water is a pretty good conductor of heat. However, as mentioned before, cold air doesn't have much potential to even hold much water vapor in the first place. This is why experts still debate whether or not there are any actual substantial differences between a dry cold and a humid cold. It might be too little of a difference to even matter. This also explains why humidity isn't really discussed outside of summer months among meteorologists. Other factors like sunlight, like wind, they play much bigger roles in our experience of cold than humidity probably does. If you enjoyed this video, follow along for our learning journey.